Okay, in this example, if I wanted to find where this function happened to be equal to 0, there's a few different ways we could do this. The first option would be to try to factorize this expression, write it as the product of two binomials. And if you factorize it, you can find the roots that way. A second option would be to use the quadratic formula. A is 2, B is 7, C is 3. You could plug that into this equation. You could find the roots that way as well. But just a quick refresher on how to use your calculator. Go to your graphics calculator. You're going to enter in that equation. Go to your screen. I can clearly see the two roots there. You may have to go to zoom or your window and change it to get in order to see those two points. But in this case, negative 10 to 10 works pretty well. Press second trace, and I want to find the zeros of this function. Where is it crossing the x-axis? Where does it have a height of 0? Press 2. It's asking us for a left-bound point. The way your calculator thinks always from left to right, so it's searching for this point, and it's asking you to select something a little bit to the left of where you can visually see that the function's at 0. Pick a right-bound point, and again somewhere a little bit to the right of where you can see it's crossing the x-axis, and take a wild guess right about there, and you've found one of the solutions, one of the roots for this function. If you want to find the other one, same process, second calc, press 2 to access 0, scroll over, and you can find the other root, or the other place where this function has a height of 0. The other thing I should point out, if you go back to second trace, you could also do things like find the minimum value. So if I wanted to find how low this function went, and same process, to the left of where I can see that it's the lowest, to the right of where I can see it's the lowest, and then take a wild guess, and you can find your minimum point as well.